In this video, we will show you how to make blurry photos into HD or high definition quality. For example here, we have the photo with low quality like this, and we can turn into HD quality look like this very easy. Okay, if you have low quality of the photo look like this, you can just turn into high definition quality look like this. Or if you have look like this, you can turn into like this very easy. How to do that? First, in here, we can using these websites emgupscaler.media.io/app/enhancer, or you can get this URL on the pinned comments. To using this application, you can using it for free. How to do that? This is little tricky because we don't need the premium version. So for example in here, let's upload our low quality photo here. Okay, you can see this low quality photo is b.png. Let's upload this into the website. Okay, you can upload here by drag and drop. Be careful here. You need to use the right URL. So you can just click on the pinned comment. This is still processing, waiting until it's done. And this is free. You can see this is free and little bit tricky. If you can see here, the result is look like this, but with watermark. How we can get without watermark? Okay, to get without watermark with free version, it's little bit tricky and just only in this channel. So maybe you can subscribe and get the useful information like this. How to get this without watermark? You can just click here and just right click and select inspect element. Okay, now after you click inspect element, you can see this is your current photo here, and just click the URL here and you can right click in here. After that, you can select open in new tab. Voila, you can see now your photo from blur version is converted into this HD version. Or you can using the another version, number second for example. After you click number second, you can right click again and select inspect element, and you can see this is for the number second. You can click on the URL and right click here, open in new tab. Okay, this is the two version. And the number third version, you can click the number third, and after that you can right click in the number third and select inspect element. After that, you can see here like before, just click on the URL and right click on the URL and select open in new tab. Okay, now you have three versions of your photo. Just select the very similar with your photo. Okay, you can see of the three version and select the version you like. You can just click or right click for save your photo here. Okay, for example, we save here and save into the current photo and click save. Or we can save this, or we can save this also. Just select the photo you like. Okay, for example, this is our downloaded. Okay, from this, okay, you can see here it's very blurry into this. And let's using the second photo. Okay, from this we will turn into the HD quality. Okay, just using this URL again, emgupscaler.media.io/app/enhancer. Maybe the tutorial you can just only get on this channel, okay, because this is a little bit tricky, but it's very useful. Okay, we will open again the second photo. Okay, we will using the a.jpg here. You can see it's blurry. Now we can make the window like this and select this. Okay, uploading again, and until 100%. After 100%, we can select, okay, the result look like this. And for example, we select the number third and right click and choose inspect element. And after that, like before, click the URL above and right click and select open in new tab. Voila. Then you can right click here and click save image and click save. Now you have successfully convert from this, okay, from this photo blurry version into the HD format. Okay, how? It's very interesting. And because this extension is GFIF, you can just convert into online converter, for example, like this, GFIF to JPG if you want, or you can using a screenshot to take this photo using your tools, and so you can save automatically with JPG. Or you can click choose files, okay, from the device and select your photo and select this version, for example, and you can convert. You can using a converter you like to just convert the extension. After done, you can click download. Now you have the JPG version. Okay, this is the JPG version. Is also in HD format. And that's all tutorial how to make our blurry photo into the HD or high definition quality. Hope this video helpful for you.